Paramount Television: History, Productions, and Influence. Overview of Paramount Television. Paramount Television is the television production division of Paramount Global. It produces scripted series, reality shows, and original content for streaming and broadcast networks. Over the years, it has created some of the most iconic TV shows in history. Major TV shows produced by Paramount: classic hits, Star Trek: The Original Series, 1966, a groundbreaking sci-fi franchise; Happy Days, 1974, a beloved sitcom about 1950s American life; Cheers, 1982, one of the greatest sitcoms of all time; Frasier, 1993, the Emmy-winning Cheers spin-off; modern and streaming originals: Yellowstone, 2018, the hit Western drama on Paramount Network; Star Trek: Strange New Worlds, 2022, a Star Trek prequel on Paramount Plus; 1923, 2022, a Yellowstone prequel starring Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren; Halo, 2022, a sci-fi action series based on the video game; Paramount Television Studios' current division. Paramount Television was rebranded as Paramount Television Studios under Paramount Global, produces shows for Paramount Plus, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Network TV. Works with CBS Studios, MTV Entertainment, and Showtime to create new content. Legacy and cultural impact. Pioneered classic sitcoms, sci-fi franchises, and crime dramas. Expanded into streaming platforms adapting to modern viewing habits. Continues to produce hit series across multiple genres, keeping the Paramount brand strong in television. Paramount Television has played a major role in shaping the TV industry, from classic network hits to modern streaming successes, making it one of Hollywood's most influential production studios.